In a no fire series, I am bringing this paneer laddu. So let's start. I am chopping this some dry fruit. You can take it according to your taste and requirement. Now in a blender jar, take 1 cup of grated paneer, 1 cup of desiccated coconut, and half cup of condensed milk. 1 tablespoon milk at the room temperature. Now I am adding ruabza syrup 1 tablespoon. You can add cardamom powder or vanilla extract for your flavor. Now grind it well. See, the batter is ready. Now I am taking it in a bowl. It's very hot here, so I am keeping this batter in the fridge for the 30 minutes. But if you are making this in winter season, don't need to keep in fridge. So after 30 minutes it batter becomes set. Now I am taking full tablespoon of batter and make laddu. So do it like this in video. In the hand make some like round and press lightly in the middle of this laddu and keep some dry fruit inside and press it and close it like this. So as showing in the video, do it like this and again round and make a ball. So our paneer laddu is ready. Again I am showing you another one. Takes 1 tablespoon of batter and put the dry fruit inside and press lightly and make laddu. Now to keep stickiness away, I am coating with desiccated coconut. It keeps your laddu well bound and it enhances taste also. So it becomes non-sticky now. This, see, I am decorating it with tutti frutti. You can decorate it with as per your taste or you can take it as it is. See, the mouth watering and delicious laddu is ready. So try it now. Don't forget to like and share. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.